Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am reviewing another balloon garland kit from the Party Incorporation company. I already worked with them before. I liked what I received from them before. We'll see what I'm gonna have here today in this balloon garland kit. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is the box that you will get after purchasing this kit on Amazon. You can purchase this kit, as I said, on Amazon for $22.99. Then they do have a coupon that you can save $2 from one kit. This kit will include 12, 10, and 5-inch balloons. Pretty nice cardboard box. If you are interested in what this kit includes, you just flip the box over and everything that you need to know about this kit is listed right here on the back of your box. Let's open this up and see what we have inside. First thing is a fishing line. Fishing line is great for hanging your balloon garlands. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I answer a lot of questions, and I do show an up close on how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks and how I hang all of my garlands using backdrop frame, fabric, and safety pins. Check that video out. It will be helpful. Next, we have a bag of balloons. As you can tell, we are working with white, blue, and silver confetti balloons, hand pump, glue dots, balloon tying tool. This is very handy. Love this thing. We have balloon strip to construct our balloon garland, and then we have these balloon stands that we will be using as well. Alrighty guys, a quick change of clothing. Now I feel a lot more comfortable and I am ready to fill my balloons with air. I am using my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. I am using balloon tying tool that was included in the kit to tie my balloons because I am blowing my balloons individually and inserting one balloon per hole into my balloon strip. So let's open this up. I'm blowing one balloon up. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloon, I am pressing my balloon against the floor to give my balloon more rounder shape, and then using my balloon tying tool to tie my balloon, and it's all good. Done blowing solid latex balloons. Now let me quickly show you what I do with my confetti balloons and how I make my confettis stick to the walls of my balloons. So blow your balloon. These balloons, they do look foggy, but when you wipe them, even with your hand, they do look more translucent than before. I guess they're just treated with some kind of powder, so that's why they were looking a little foggy. So now we have a balloon, but confettis are not all over the balloon. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my two hands, I only have two, right? And I'm starting to rub on my balloon with my hands. That way I am creating static inside of my balloon, and all of the confettis are starting to stick to the walls of my balloons. Give it a shake and rub some more. Give it a shake. And that's all. That's all you need to do to make your confetti stick to your balloon. going to make my balloon garland. I want to assemble my second stand. In the baggie, you get these kind of like thingies to attach your balloons to, tubes and connectors. So you take the thickest tubes and thickest connector and you insert your connector into the tube. Take a second thicker tube and insert right on top of this connector. Find the biggest hole and insert your tubes in it. Then take this circular thing, the thickest one, and put it right on top of it. And that's it. You do exactly the same thing, kind of look what you want to create out of this stand. You can do whatever you want. So I'm taking one longer tube and one shorter and connect them together to create this kind of like a medium length. Assembling another longer tube or medium tube. And another one. So one tall, 3 medium, and 3 smaller size tubes. And just insert these circle thingies right on top of each tube. They're gonna serve you as a holder for your balloon. I hope you can see really good. I'm gonna try to show you how I attach these balloons. So I'm taking a balloon, stretching that neck and that knot. Each circle thingy has like these openings everywhere. So I'm taking that knot and putting the knot lower than my opening. I hope that makes sense, as you can see here. And then taking this tail and wrapping around and inserting into another opening and let it go. So it holds pretty well. The reason I wanted to insert the balloons into my stands is simple. I don't want to run out of balloons and have my stands empty without balloons. So I am filling up my stands and then I will build my balloon garland. To construct our balloon garland, as you can see, this strip has a bigger hole, little opening, and smaller hole. So start inserting your balloon through the bigger hole. Make sure your knot is completely through. Slide your balloon through the opening into a smaller hole and let it go. That's all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. I am inserting every balloon on one side of a strip. I don't see a difference if you alternate sides or you just use one side. Use one balloon per hole. If you see that your balloons are starting to pop out of the strip, that means you need to skip a hole to give your balloons more room to spread out and lay nicely without pushing other balloons out of the strip. So let's go. By the way, you guys, I am leaving my confetti balloons and 5-inch balloons out of the strip. I will fill in spaces with them a little bit later. So far, I like this gold frame and this balloon garland paired together. I think it looks really good. I did make this column out of 2 shorter flower stands. I will link a video in the description under the video on this column. Now time to fill in spaces. I am taking glue dots that were included in the kit and I am starting to shape and build this garland more. Use more than 2 glue dots per balloon to ensure that your balloons will stay on your base for a long time. So let's go. This is one option what you can do with these balloon stands, and I'm gonna show you a second idea what you can do with them. You guys, this is my take on this balloon garland kit. Thank you, the Party Incorporation, for sending me this beautiful kit. I like their color palette. It's very classic, blue, white, and silver. I like the quality of balloons. It was easy to work with them. I did lost 3 balloons. One had a hole and 2 deflated while I was building this whole thing. I wish companies would start including 2 rolls of glue dots, because I was really stretching those glue dots to make sure I would have enough to complete this whole thing. Also, I wish that these confetti balloons would look a little bit more clear, even though I rubbed my hands on these confetti balloons and I thought I wiped all of the powders that these balloons were treated with. They still look a little bit foggy, but they look pretty. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. I definitely think that this kit is worth your money. It's worth buying and constructing for your party. I will include some pictures at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is my take on this balloon garland kit from the Party Incorporation company. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and it was entertaining to watch. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my ability. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!